Okay, a very good afternoon here on the 23rd of October 2018. My name is Rishi Patel, co-founder of Master the Markets, the Elite Traders Conference and the Traders Open Day. And I'm very happy to be able to report in an update here on the live trading room and the Vedanta Elite trading rooms to give you an update on these trading positions, both profits and losses. Recently had a message back on our WhatsApp server through our broadcast list where one customer said that we don't talk about our losses. And in the way that we trade, with the transparency that you can see the account statements, it's impossible not to talk about the losses. There are losses involved and they're transparent on the accounts. If we take a very small number of losses, or if our losses are very small, that's also transparent as well. And you need to focus on everything. As a professional trader, you do take losses and you do take profits. And as you can see quite clearly here live in the both Vedanta Elite and the live trading rooms, we are currently running a couple of trades. And let me just walk you through these profits and losses. So there's absolutely nothing that's being hidden here. This is the key message. I'm going to break down every single one of these trades that we have taken that you're seeing here running at the moment. So first of all, this is representative of a very, very small trading account. It's only 30,000 euros. Very small trading account. That's the first thing to note. The second thing to note is that everything is risk managed. You only take trades at a percent risk. And I want you to have a look at this. So there are actually 3 trading positions running at the moment. What you're seeing here at the top is a total of these 2 positions that are running on the euro US dollar. And this dollar Japanese yen position is an independent one. So you've got 1 trade, 2 and 3. So we're currently short on the euro dollar. 2 trading positions, 2 trading positions short on the euro dollar, and 1 position long on the euro yen, right? So 1 position long on the euro yen. Let's take a look at both of these trades. The first one that we'll look at is this dollar yen position. This is the Liftoff 3.0 trading strategy, as many of you will be aware of here at Master the Markets that we do trade. Now, take a look at this. This has moved against us today, but it has not taken out our trailing stop loss. Our trailing stop loss is at 111.92, and that's representative of this price level just here, 111.92. The low today is 111.946, which means it hasn't taken out our trailing stop loss. We're still in this trade. Might it take out our trailing stop loss later today? Absolutely. That's an absolute possibility, and the price may continue to move down and take out the stop. That's absolutely fine. It's also a possibility that the price will turn around from this point and continue to progress higher. That's also a possibility as well, taking us up towards our target. Regardless of whatever it is, as of this moment in time, is the dollar yen in a loss? The answer is yes. We're currently down on this 47 euros. You can see that just there. A very small floating loss on the dollar yen. Let's now assess the 2 euro dollar positions. So euro dollar position number 1 and number 2. Remember, this here is an accumulated total of both positions. So let's assess the first euro dollar position. You can see here we opened the market short at 114.64. okay, and that's where we actually opened this particular trade opportunity. That's the first trading position on the euro dollar. We opened that yesterday evening. So let's take a look at that. 111.64 is where we opened on euro dollar. And here is the position. 111.64 is this price level just here exactly. This is exactly where we opened the trade. We expected the price to continue moving lower and take out this low just here. That hasn't happened. You see the price did go lower. It went then back up, and then now it's coming in around about this price. That's in a small floating loss at the moment. That is the truth. There's absolutely no hiding that. It is in a floating loss. It may even progress up towards its stop loss, which is on the high of this bar just here, and it may just take that out, and we'll be out of the market on our initial stop loss. That's currently in a floating loss. You can see minus 63 euros. Now let's look at the second euro dollar position, which we took short yesterday at 115.34. 115.34 is where we took that. Where is 115.34? 115.34 is actually all the way up here. And you may ask the question why we chose to short the euro dollar at 115.34 and how we managed to clip the high of this bar and just take the high beautifully before the whole thing came lower. How did we manage to do that? You may ask that question. And it's a very good question to ask, and the answer is Vedanta Elite. You see, this is an elite set of trading strategies which has extremely high reward risk ratios and looks to do just this. For very certain types of bars, it looks to clip the highs just in this way and take the rest of the move short. We're still holding this particular trade position with the expectation that the price will continue to move lower and break. This is our target just here on this trade, and break this target and take that low out just there. Did miss the target by 6 pips this morning, and that's okay. Sometimes that will happen as well. It doesn't matter. It's statistically and mathematically proven that it will work. That position, live and real time, is up 724 US dollars, 620 euros. In total, we are up around 530 pounds floating profit, including the losses. Please be very aware of this. We're not hiding the losses at any stage. We are very transparent about the losses. Everything here is done by account statement on which you must see the losses. There's no hiding this whatsoever. So please do be aware of that, and we'll put a message out on our WhatsApp broadcast list with this latest set of trading updates. We do take losses as well. We do take profits, but because we're the best at what we do in this space, the profits generally tend to outweigh the losses, and we end up net up, and not only net up, but massively net up, as proven on our set of account statements. Look forward to speaking to you soon. Until the next time, stay disciplined, follow your plan, trade like a master. Bye for now.